Chloe Chantel, and we're back with another one. And in today's video, I'm just beating my face. A little light beat, you know, it's 4 o'clock in the morning, so nothing too crazy. I was bored, so you know, I just was like, why not? Before we get into this video, make sure you click that subscribe button so you can be subscribed to my channel. Click the bell so you can be notified whenever I post the videos. Follow me on social media. My Instagram is linked in the description. And yeah, let's get right into this video. Hey y'all, so I'm finna beat my face. It's currently like 4 o'clock in the morning. I don't know why I'm doing my makeup, but I'm doing my makeup. So let's get to it. First is primer. Actually, I don't know if I like this primer. I wonder what else I could use to prime my face. Oh, I could use that spray, I think I've seen people do that. Okay, I think I've seen somebody do this before. I don't know I kind of just washed these, so like, I know I said washed. I don't know, this just won't get out. But yeah, actually no, that's good because I want them to be damp. What am I about to do first? Brows or spray? Is this like broke? No. I don't like hearing people like outside in the hall because like I just hate the idea of somebody possibly knocking on my door because like never mind, not that. I just hate that. Now I'm gonna do my brows. I don't know why I sprayed that before my brows, but maybe that's what I'm supposed to do. Y'all wanna know what the real funny thing is? Well, actually it's not even funny, but I filmed this video, well, I attempted to film this video earlier, but it was just, I didn't like it. I need to get organized with my makeup. I hardly ever touch it though, honestly. But like, I definitely need to get organized with it. I need to get organized with everything. Should this be a little chit chat or should I like just hush and do my makeup? I don't know. I don't really like have enough engagement to tell like which ones I should do more because I like both, so I'm gonna do both regardless. Can y'all see me? Okay. I don't have a steady hand at all. Like, I just be freaking shaking. Y'all ain't tell me I had eye booger. Yeah, hard as fuck. Sorry, I'm thinking in my head. I do that so much. Oh my god. I was just thinking in my head. This is what I mean when I say I'm constantly talking to myself, because I be telling people I'm constantly talking to myself and like I don't be knowing if they really get what I'm saying, but like no, I did as we just, and then sometimes I blurt out what I'm thinking and yeah, but whoa, to what I was thinking. We're not even gonna talk about that. I think my eyebrows are fine. I'm gonna leave them alone for now because like I will like do them forever. I'm gonna drink some of my apple juice. Hold on. It's good, but it's not cold. Foundation. Should I spray again? No, I'm good. Okay, I wanna do like very light foundation. I don't like foundation like that, especially maybe just not this one, I don't know, but I just don't like foundation and it looks this or foundation period. I don't know, but it just looks like not, I don't know what I was finna say there. I don't know why I just said that, but it just looks like cakey, and it's probably me, it's probably the foundation, I don't know. But anyways, yeah, I'm talking too much. So like, yeah, light. Okay, so this is the beat for today. Simple, really just thrown together. It just so happened to be a coincidence that my eyeshadow kind of matches my hair. Should I like do something to my lips just because? Like, I could at least put some lip gloss on, huh? I don't have none over here, and like that would require me getting up. I guess I'll get up. Okay, sadly I don't know where my lip liner is, and I'm definitely not gonna take the time to look for that. So we just gonna put some lip gloss on. This is just so satisfying to me. Like, oh my gosh. Bitch, I should have shit my bitch. I should have been put this out. Hold up. if I knew it was gonna take me from that to this, I would have not even had to think about, like, consider whether or not I should put it on. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I definitely can take pictures. Bitch, I look good. So this is the final look. How y'all like it? Hopefully I'm like getting better. I don't know. If y'all enjoyed this video, though, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you can be notified whenever I post videos. If you want to see me, and I'm pretty sure you want to see me, but and yeah, follow me on social media. My Instagram is linked in the description, so follow me on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.